Hello everyone, and welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change the volume in FL Studio step by step. If you're looking to adjust your audio levels smoothly and efficiently, this guide will walk you through the process. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more FL Studio tips and tricks. Let's get started. Step 1. First, enable the Show Fade Editing Controls option by clicking on this icon, or use the shortcut Shift F. Once you've done that, left-click on the audio clip, and you'll see a small dot appear on the clip. From there, you can drag the dot up to increase the volume or down to decrease it. Step 2. If you want even finer control over your audio, consider using the volume envelope in either the mixer or playlist. This feature allows you to automate volume changes over time, giving you the ability to create dynamic adjustments throughout your track. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change the volume in FL Studio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.